Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 7th class, last time we have done the exercise 9 till question number 11, two parts. Today we will do the third part of question number 11. In this part we have to find the value of a plus 1 over a whole square is equal to 8. We had to verify, and this was given to us. Look at part 1. A square plus 1 over a square was given to us, and we found the value from this part. A square plus 1 over a square was given to us as equal to 6. As you know that a square plus b square plus 2ab makes it a plus b whole square. Here a square plus b square is given, but 2ab is not given. 2ab is 2a and 1 over a. So a will be cancelled with this, only 2 will remain. So we will add this 2 on the both sides, as a square plus 1 over a square is plus 2 on both sides. This whole will become a formula, that is a plus 1 over a whole square, and 6 plus 2 is 8, that is verified. The thing that we had to prove. Now come for question number 7. In question number 12, we have to find the continued product of the following. For question number 12, we have to know about another formula. Last time we have worked on two formulas, that were a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b square, that was a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now for these last three questions we have to work on the formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and you can say that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. If there are two variables, two values, two squares with the sign of minus, they can be written as the product of two values, but one with the addition and one with the difference. Look, this is the part 1 for question number 12. You have to find its continued product. Here a plus 1 is like a plus b and a minus b, and a square plus b square. See, this is a plus b and a minus b. We can write it as a square minus b square, and a square plus 1. This will become same to the down step, but a plus 1 will be written as a square minus 1 square. A square is come as it is, and any power of 1 will remain as 1, and a square plus 1 will be as it is. Now see, it is a square minus 1 and a square plus 1. There are two values like this, one with the sign of plus, one with the sign of minus. They will be written as the square of first value and square of second value. The square of first value is a square again square, and the square of second value is 1 square. So a raised to power, it will become a raised to power 4, as 2 2s are 4, and the value of the square and any power of 1 will make it only 1. Doesn't matter that a raised, it is 1's power is 1000, it will remain only 1 is 1. Now come for the question number 13. You have to express 81p square minus 49p square as the product of two terms. This is the product of two terms, so we have to convert this one into this form. Here is 81p square minus 49q square. 81 is the square of 9. 9 9s are 81, and what's the square? What is the square of whose square is 49? 7 is the square of 49. So you can write it as 9p whole square minus 7q square. Isn't it a square minus b square? So how can we will write it as a square minus b square is given, so you can write it as a plus b and a minus b. So what's a plus b and a minus b? It doesn't matter which comes first. So a minus b, that is 9p minus 7q, and 9p plus 7q is as second term. For question number 14, express each of the following as the difference of two squares. You have to express it as the difference of two squares. These are the two squares, and here is the difference. So you have to write it as, this is a plus b and this is a minus b. So you have to write it as a square minus b square. So here's the solution. 3a plus b, 3a minus b is given to you. A plus b and a minus b. So you can write it as a square minus b square. What's the value of a? That is 3a. What's the value of b? That is b. So you can write it as 3 3s are 9, a square plus minus b square is the solution. In this way you are able to complete your exercise 9, and after completing that exercise you have to complete the multiple choice exercise on page number 126. You have to also complete that exercise.